it's your girl Asia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I blend my 4C hair with this cute Upart wig from Protective Styles Hair. I'm so excited, you guys. Look at this flawless blend though. Like what? So I hope that you enjoy this quick tutorial showing you how to slay a Upart wig on your 4C hair.
I'm beginning this style on freshly washed hair. I'm going to start off by parting out my leave out section. I'm just leaving out enough hair to cover up the wefts of the Upart wig. Then I'm going to section off that hair and take my leave-in conditioner and moisturize the rest of my hair. Once I did that, I'm going to begin twisting up my hair. I'm doing flat twists going straight to the back, so I make sure to smooth in my leave-in conditioner. Then I add the Inasi Naturals Hair Whip to seal that in. And I go ahead and follow that up with the Inasi Naturals Rock Your Curls just to add some cream, and I go ahead and twist that up. I decided to do flat twists because they're super easy to do, but not only that, when you take down your hair, you're going to have a nice twist out, so it's a bomb style to have underneath. So while I'm twisting, I make sure that I smooth everything nicely, and I make sure that I twirl my ends so that it can equal a bomb twist out when I do get ready to take it down. So in total, I did 6 flat twists going straight to the back. I'm going to go ahead and put that in a ponytail, and then I'm going to work on the front section. So now moving on to the front of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to go ahead and part my hair right down the middle, making sure to have a nice clean part. Once I've got my hair nice and moisturized, I'm going to take this Eco Styler gel and I'm going to smooth it throughout my hair. I'm making sure to really get the cuticles of my hair flat and smooth. Once I've pretty much got my curls popping, I'm going to go ahead and twist that up. I'm going to do pretty small twists, not too small, but small enough to get some nice definition. As you can see, I got some pretty crazy shrinkage. The left side has already started to dry, and you can see how much shorter it is than the right side. So what I'm going to do to combat that is I'm going to actually bobby pin each side down. This will help to give it some stretch, and it'll also help it to blend better with the extensions because it won't be so short. Once I've got it pinned down, it's time to go to sleep, and I'll come back in the morning to blend. So I'm going to be rocking this Protective Styles Hair Kinky Curly Unit in 20 inches. It's so pretty. The texture is so bomb. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I slay it, how I hook it up. This is what it looks like when it comes in the package. It has 3 combs in the front. Then it has 2 combs on the side and adjustable straps in the back. This is what the texture looks like straight out the package. It is so bomb. It just reminds me of 4C hair all day. So I'll co-wash with the Cleanse Me Co-Wash by Lotta Body, and this is what it looks like wet. So I let it dry overnight, and then I came back to blend. So this is me the next morning. As you can see, my twists are a little bit elongated. We got the dry Upart unit on the side. We're gonna go ahead and cut that lace in the middle. You want to be careful when you're doing this, but for real girl, it's not that challenging. Just take your time. As you can see, it cleans up real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pin the 2 sides of my ponytail so it lays flat. Once I've got that done, I'm gonna put on the Upart unit from the back to the front. That way I can easily align the combs in the front where they should be. Once I've got that attached, I'm going to take these 2 straps to tighten it in the back just to make sure that it's nice and snug. Then I'm just going to have to bobby pin the front because it's a little bit big for me, so I'm going to bobby pin it so it stays in place. Then once I've got it nice and secure, I'm going to go ahead and begin to blend. Begin by just taking down the twist. Don't separate or anything like that. That way you can make sure that you don't manipulate your hair too much to where it doesn't blend. Something real ironic about this blend is that I found out that my hair was actually shinier than the extensions, so in the future I would use a cream based product because I think that Eco Styler gel just made my hair super shiny. So now that I've got my hair completely taken down, I'll go ahead and separate a little bit more as needed. I just make sure not to over separate to the point of losing definition. Once I've gotten my hair taken down completely, I'm going to just take the extensions and separate it. I'm going to take little strands and separate them until I get more volume, and I'm going to bring that hair up and pull my hair downward. This is going to help to make it blend better. And that's it. It is all blended out. It looks very seamless. So this is what the hair looks like in the back. It's nice and full, very, very nice and voluminous. So just to make it look more seamless, I went ahead and slicked down my edges, and that's about it, you guys.
Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial showing you how to blend your 4C hair with Kinky Curly Upart wigs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with other 4C naturals or just natural girls in general, because we all can get our blend on with this method. And I'll catch you loves in my next video. Peace.